Australia, the island continent, is known for its arid interior. The vast sunburnt land stretches endlessly, with its iconic red earth and sparse vegetation painting a picture of desolation and rugged beauty. Vast deserts stretch as far as the eye can see. The Simpson Desert, the Great Victoria Desert, and the Tanami Desert are just a few of the expansive arid regions that dominate the landscape. But this land wasn't always so dry. There was a time when the heart of Australia was a very different place, a time when water flowed freely and life thrived in abundance. Millions of years ago, a giant inland sea, the Larapintine Sea, dominated the landscape. This vast body of water stretched across what is now the arid interior, creating a lush, vibrant ecosystem. Imagine a time when water, not sand, ruled the heart of Australia. The Larapintine Sea was a haven for marine life, its waters teeming with creatures that are now long extinct. This sea was teeming with life. From ancient fish to marine reptiles, the Larapintine Sea was a bustling hub of biodiversity. It was home to strange and wonderful creatures. Some of these creatures were unlike anything we see today, their fossils providing a glimpse into a world that has long since vanished. Today, only fossils and geological formations remain as clues to its existence. These remnants tell the story of a time when the Australian outback was a thriving marine environment. The story of the Larapintine Sea is a journey back in time. It's a tale that reveals the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet, showing how landscapes can transform dramatically over millions of years. It's a tale of dramatic transformation and the power of nature to reshape our planet. From a vast inland sea to the arid deserts we see today, the history of Australia's heartland is a testament to the relentless forces of geological change. As we look out over the modern Australian outback, it's hard to imagine the ancient sea that once covered this land. Yet, the evidence is all around us, hidden in the rocks and the fossils that tell the story of a world long gone. Paleontologists continue to uncover new clues, piecing together the history of the Larapintine Sea and the creatures that called it home. Each discovery adds a new chapter to the story of Australia's ancient past. The legacy of the Larapintine Sea is a reminder of the incredible history that lies beneath our feet. It's a story that connects us to a time when the world was a very different place, and it invites us to imagine the countless changes that have shaped our planet over the eons. The Larapintine Sea reached its peak around 100 million years ago. It was a shallow, warm body of water. The sea stretched across what is now central Australia. Imagine a coastline dotted with lush forests. Rivers flowed into the sea, creating a rich and diverse ecosystem. The waters teemed with prehistoric marine reptiles. Giant plesiosaurs with long necks patrolled the depths. Ichthyosaurs resembling modern dolphins darted through the water. The seabed was a haven for shellfish and other invertebrates. The Larapintine Sea was a thriving prehistoric paradise. Over millions of years, the Earth's climate changed. The Larapintine Sea began to shrink. Temperatures rose and rainfall decreased. Slowly, the once mighty sea began to evaporate. The water retreated, leaving behind salt lakes and vast plains. The landscape transformed dramatically. Forests gave way to grasslands. The animals that depended on the sea for survival had to adapt or perish. The drying of the Larapintine Sea was a slow-motion ecological disaster. It reshaped the face of Australia. The disappearance of the Larapintine Sea had a profound impact on Australia's flora and fauna. Many species went extinct. Others found ways to adapt to the changing environment. Plants developed drought-resistant features. Animals evolved to conserve water and survive in the arid conditions. The iconic red kangaroo, for example, is a testament to this adaptation. Its ability to survive on minimal water is a direct result of the environmental pressures brought about by the sea's disappearance. The story of life in Australia is one of resilience and adaptation. Section 5. Echoes of a Watery Past. The Australian outback, a vast and arid landscape, holds secrets of a time when it was submerged under a great inland sea. Though the Larapintine Sea vanished long ago, it left behind clues to its existence. The shifting sands and rocky outcrops tell a story of a world transformed by water. Fossils of ancient marine creatures are scattered across the outback. These remnants of the past are like pages in a history book, waiting to be read by those who seek to understand the Earth's ancient history. These fossils provide valuable insights into the sea's biodiversity. By studying them, scientists can piece together the puzzle of what life was like in the Larapintine Sea. They tell us about the creatures that once swam in its waters. From tiny invertebrates to massive marine reptiles, each fossil adds a new chapter to the story of this ancient sea. One of the most significant discoveries was the fossilized remains of a Kronosaurus. This colossal predator ruled the waters with its powerful jaws and formidable presence. This fearsome predator was a type of pliosaur. Pliosaurs were marine reptiles with short necks and large heads, perfectly adapted for hunting in the ancient seas. It could grow up to 10 meters long. Imagine a creature of such size and power, navigating the waters that once covered the Australian outback. The discovery of the Kronosaurus fossil confirms the existence of a vast inland sea. This find not only sheds light on the marine life of the past but also on the geological processes that shape the land we see today. It captures the imagination and reminds us of the power of geological time. The stars above and the land below are witnesses to the Earth's ever-changing story, a story written in stone and fossil waiting to be uncovered. Section 6. Ancient Sea, Modern Lessons. The story of the Larapintine Sea is not just ancient history, it holds important lessons for us today. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. Changes in climate can have dramatic and long-lasting effects on life on Earth. The drying of the Larapintine Sea serves as a stark reminder of the power of natural forces. It highlights the importance of understanding and mitigating the impacts of climate change. By studying the past, we can gain valuable insights into the present and the future. The study of the Larapintine Sea is an ongoing endeavor. Scientists continue to make new discoveries. They are piecing together the puzzle of this ancient sea. Each new fossil, each geological formation, adds to our understanding of this lost world. New technologies are being used to map the seafloor. These maps reveal ancient river systems and other features. The search for knowledge about the Larapintine Sea is a journey of discovery. It is a testament to human curiosity and our desire to understand the world around us. Section 8. The Larapintine, a legacy in salt and sand. Today, the legacy of the Larapintine Sea is visible in the landscape. This ancient sea, which once covered vast portions of what is now the Australian outback, has left an indelible mark on the terrain. The remnants of this prehistoric ocean are etched into the very fabric of the land, telling a story of a time when water reigned supreme. Vast salt lakes like Lake Eyre are remnants of this ancient ocean. These salt flats, shimmering under the harsh Australian sun, are a testament to the Larapintine Sea's once expansive reach. Lake Eyre, the lowest point in Australia, fills with water only on rare occasions, but its salt-encrusted surface is a constant reminder of its oceanic past. The red sand dunes of the Simpson Desert were once part of its seabed. These towering dunes, sculpted by the relentless winds, are composed of ancient marine sediments. Walking through the Simpson Desert, one can almost hear the whispers of the waves that once lapped against this now arid land. The outback, though seemingly barren, holds the secrets of a watery past. The cracked earth and parched landscapes are deceptive, hiding the rich history of a time when the Larapintine Sea nurtured a diverse array of life. Fossils of marine creatures and ancient plants found here provide a glimpse into this bygone era. The next time you see an image of the Australian outback, imagine the Larapintine Sea. Envision the vast expanse of water stretching to the horizon, teeming with life. Picture the waves crashing against the shorelines, the marine life thriving beneath the surface, and the lush vegetation that once bordered this ancient sea. Picture the marine reptiles, the lush forests, and the teeming life that once existed there. Imagine the giant marine reptiles gliding through the water, the dense forests that provided shelter to countless species, and the vibrant ecosystems that flourished in this prehistoric paradise. It is a reminder that our planet is constantly changing. The landscapes we see today are the result of millions of years of geological and climatic transformations. The story of the Larapintine Sea is just one chapter in the ever-evolving narrative of our planet. What we see today is just a snapshot in geological time. The Earth's surface is in a perpetual state of flux, shaped by forces both seen and unseen. As we look upon the remnants of the Larapintine Sea, we are reminded of the transient nature of our world and the enduring legacy of its ancient past. Section 9. Preserving the memory of an inland sea. The story of the Larapintine Sea is a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's history. Fossils and geological formations are fragile. They are vulnerable to erosion and human activity. It is our responsibility to protect these treasures for future generations. By learning about the past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the present. We understand the forces that have shaped our planet. We are inspired to protect its beauty and diversity. The Larapintine Sea, though long gone, continues to teach us valuable lessons about life, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of our world.